The deep tradition of Eid al-Adha, a celebration of faith and sacrifice. In the vibrant land of Islam, there is a deep-rooted tradition known as Eid al-Adha, also known as the Festival of Sacrifice. This annual celebration is of great importance to Muslims around the world, as it commemorates the sacrifice of Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, and his steadfast faith in Allah. Eid al-Adha holds a special place in the hearts of Muslims around the world. It is time to reflect on the incredible act of faith and sacrifice demonstrated by Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, and his son Ismail, peace be upon him. This story explores the journey of Abraham, peace be upon him, the divine intervention that followed, and the profound lessons Muslims can learn from this momentous event. A long time ago, Hazrat Ibrahim, peace be upon him, received a divine order from Allah in a dream. He was instructed to sacrifice his beloved son Hazrat Ismail as a proof of his unwavering devotion, although this command weighed heavily on his heart. Abraham, peace be upon him, recognized it as a test from his Creator and resolved to obey with unwavering trust. With a mixture of emotions, grief, love, and unwavering faith, Ibrahim, peace be upon him, revealed God's command to his son. To his surprise, Ismail showed immense faith and submission, happily joined his father on this profound journey. Together they followed the path of sacrifice and devotion and put their unwavering trust in Allah. When Ibrahim, peace be upon him, was ready to fulfill Allah's command, he blindfolded him and placed a knife on Ismail, peace be upon him, throat to suppress his parental instinct. At this critical moment, Allah, in His infinite mercy, intervened by replacing Ishmael with a lamb. This act of divine intervention demonstrated the deep faith and obedience of Ibrahim, peace be upon him, and Ismail, peace be upon him, and engraved their names in the annals of Islam. Muslims around the world commemorate this important event by celebrating Eid al-Adha. It is a time of unity, gratitude, and reflection. Families gather for joyous celebrations, say prayers of thanksgiving, and engage in charitable activities. The central ritual of Eid al-Adha involves the sacrifice of an animal, such as a sheep, goat, or cow. For Muslims, the act of sacrifice is a symbol of selflessness and devotion to Allah. It serves as a reminder that material possessions are no match for love and obedience to one's Creator. Just as Ibrahim, peace be upon him, was willing to surrender what was dearest to him, Muslims are encouraged to embody the spirit of sacrifice and to detach themselves from worldly desires. On the occasion of Eid al-Adha, the meat of the sacrificial animal is divided into 3 parts. A portion for the family. This is the largest portion, and it is usually used for cooking and eating at home. A share for relatives and friends. This share is used to share with loved ones, and is a way of showing kindness and generosity to them. A portion for the poor and needy. This portion is given to those who are less fortunate, and is a way of helping the needy. This act of sharing and generosity highlights the Islamic values of compassion, empathy, and social welfare, ensuring that the blessings of Eid reach all. Inner sacrifices and spiritual growth. In addition to the physical act of sacrifice, Eid al-Adha serves as a reminder of the importance of inner sacrifices. Muslims are encouraged to reflect on their shortcomings, seeking self-improvement and spiritual growth. This is the time to look at yourself, renew your intentions, and rekindle the flame of devotion to Allah and His creation. Embrace the essence of sacrifice. As the sun rises on Eid al-Adha, filling the sky with golden hues, Muslims around the world embrace the essence of sacrifice. Through the celebration of this deep tradition, they honor the unwavering faith of Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, and his son Ismail, peace be upon him, strengthen the bond of unity, and reaffirm their commitment to Islam. Finally, Eid al-Adha stands as a timeless reminder of the power of faith, sacrifice, and the eternal blessings that await those who surrender their will to the divine. It is a testament to the steadfast devotion of Ibrahim, peace be upon him, and Ismail, peace be upon him, and invites all Muslims to embody the spirit of sacrifice in their daily lives, striving to emulate their great example. Incorporating the lessons of sacrifice learned from Eid al-Adha into our modern lives can greatly enhance our spiritual growth and personal growth. Here are some methods we can apply in our daily lives. Selflessness and service. just as Muslims share the meat of a sacrificial animal on the occasion of Eid al-Adha. We can also cultivate the spirit of selflessness by serving others, engage in acts of kindness, volunteer for charitable organizations, and extend a helping hand to those in need. By giving of our time and resources to others, we embody the values of compassion and empathy. Detachment from material possessions. Eid al-Adha reminds us that material possessions are temporary and our devotion to Allah is incomparable. Let go of excessive attachment to worldly possessions and focus on nurturing relationships, seeking knowledge and promoting spiritual growth. Emphasize experiences and connections more than material wealth, self-awareness and self-reflection. Eid al-Adha encourages Muslims to reflect on their shortcomings and improve themselves. Take time for introspection in your daily life. Evaluate your actions, behaviors, and attitudes. Identify areas where you can improve and make a conscious effort to grow personally, emotionally, and spiritually. Sacrifice for a higher purpose. Eid al-Adha teaches us that sacrifice is not simply about giving up something valuable, but about aligning one's actions with a higher purpose. Identify areas in your life where you can make sacrifices for the greater good. It may be sacrificing personal comfort for the good of others, sacrificing time for worship, or sacrificing personal desires for the sake of moral principles. Strengthening relationships. Eid al-Adha is a time for unity and togetherness with loved ones. Use this lesson to strengthen your relationships with family, friends, and community. Foster relationships of love, respect, and understanding. Reach out to estranged family members or friends. Forgive past grievances and create an environment of harmony and compassion. Gratitude and appreciation. Express gratitude for the blessings in your life. Take a moment each day to reflect on the abundance around you and thank God for His mercy and blessings. Develop the habit of appreciating life's simple pleasures and recognizing the countless blessings that are often over. Renew intentions, like Abraham's unwavering trust in God's command. Regularly renew your intentions and reaffirm your commitment to your faith and values. Consider your purpose in life and align your actions with your beliefs. Set clear goals and strive to live a purposeful life. By integrating these lessons of sacrifice into our modern lives, we can nurture our spirituality, strengthen our character, and contribute positively to our communities. Eid al-Adha serves as a powerful reminder to live a life of selflessness, gratitude, and devotion to Allah, bringing us closer to our Creator and enriching our journey in this world. Thank you for watching. Your support means the world to us. If this video touched your heart and inspired you, please show your appreciation by liking and subscribing. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Share this uplifting message with your friends and family. It may ignite a spark of hope in someone's heart.